like as people, as individuals. And that goes for clients, that goes for internal customers, external customers, supervisors, peers, everybody. What is team building? We like each other, we work well together. It's about liking each other. Now, girlfriend, boyfriend. Some of you may be there, some of you may have had the experience, some of you may know of other people's experiences. Girlfriend and boyfriend talking on the phone. Do they talk for a long time or do they talk for a short time? It was a very long time. And that was full of feeling. Thumbs up in the voice. Okay. Alright? Some people looking at you, what are they talking about? Why? How can anybody talk so long? Thanks. Shut it. It makes noise shutting, no problem. We've gone through it before. Husband, wife, talking to each other. How long is the conversation? Why are you laughing? I'm just asking a question. Huh? Exactly. It depends on so many things. It depends on which husband, right? Because so many wives. I don't know where you got this perception from.
You have to talk about your girlfriend because you have to use a lot. But why?
I have to. So then if you generally say generally, don't say you have to. You understand? General communication, since we are all communicating. Yes, please.
Actually, with girlfriend it is low risk and with the wife it is high risk.
Okay. While we are in the topic of wife and girlfriend, while we are in the topic of wife and girlfriend, let's connect it with communication, okay? And we also connected with training because we spoke about having a positive attention, when you can train people and what you can do. So I'll share with you a little story. It's connected, huh? So those two things are connected in your mind and it's connected. There was a party going on, and army party. One of my friends here is Captain Shantanu. He's in the army and he's part of the LBS team. Huh? So I'm connected with army also. There was an army party kind of thing going on. I mean, most of the people were from the army, some were civilians also. And the guys was drinking separately, the ladies were chatting separately, having a good time there. And there was this one couple that had a very successful and happy marriage. Now, unfortunately, that is something which everybody wants. And people want to know the secret of success when somebody gets it. You're saying something?
Everybody wants to have a happy married life.
Everybody wants to have a happy married life, but I didn't say anything. I'm just telling you the story. Listen to the story. Okay. Terrible. So they asked Captain Saab, tell us the secret of the success. Whenever somebody is successful in anything, everybody goes and asks him the same old stupid question, what is the secret of success? He gives some new thing and then everybody tries to implement it, doesn't work. But they still continue asking. But anyway, yes, I'm sharing with you this one. What happened there is, he said, okay, I'll tell you the secret of how it happened. And he starts narrating the story. He says, see, ours was an arranged marriage. No, that's not the secret. I'm just telling you the story. And then he said that he narrated the incident where he went horseback with his wife for the first time. That's not the secret of love. Huh? And they just got married. They don't know each other that well, as people, as individuals. They know each other generally, but they've not been together for a long time before the marriage. So suddenly the horse misbehaved. They were going on one horse. Huh? And suddenly the horse misbehaved. So Captain Saab, wife is on the horse. Huh? Captain Saab, he hits the horse and shouts, "One!" The wife is wondering, I had never thought that this would happen. What's wrong with him? Why is he doing this? He said, everything okay? But she kept quiet. It's not the right time maybe to talk. Sometimes it's not the right time to talk. Communication better. So then they continued. Again the horse misbehaved second time and he hit the horse and said, "Two!" By now she was sure she made a wrong decision. This guy, what's wrong with him? Shouting numbers like this. Again the horse went in the wrong direction. Oh, this fellow got so angry. He got off the horse, took his wife off the horse, picked up his rifle, aimed on the horse and said, "Three!" Bang! Shot the horse dead. Now the wife couldn't control herself. She's like, "How can you do such a thing? Such an inhuman thing you did. Animal, you killed him like that." He looked at the wife and said, "One!" There's a lot of learnings in this one. Can be wife to husband also say, you cannot do this with girls. Lord, you're absolutely right. Okay. And this could only happen in the beginning. So don't ever try it, please. Those of you are men. So if you look at it and we recap, number one we said rules were, number one was no rules, which means always express what you have in mind. Contribute even in team meetings, please. You may think what you have to say has already been said, but the way you say it will make a difference. So please contribute. Don't keep quiet. Share. Next rule was low risk, high risk. Practice in low risk, perfect in high risk. We have lots of examples of that by now. Number three, use common sense. Okay, no matter which training program you go to, take it, use it, apply it with all your experience. It's not that you come here totally blank. You come here with certain experience of your own. Apply it in your workplace with common sense. Number four. Now, what are you doing? Huh? See, remember, you have to tell. Get this out of your system. Say it differently. Beautiful. Get this out of your head that the trainer has to tell. Get it out of your head, please. Because our system in talent transformation is inform, perform, transform. What is inform, perform, transform? Let me illustrate. Sir, if I put my hand out like this, I'm just giving you an example. Okay? We don't do this. All of us don't do this. Huh? But if I put my hand out like this, give me a hand, please. Unless you put your hand out to shake my hand, or to hold my hand, you're not doing your job. So if I'm going on talking and giving a lecture, it's no good. You may laugh a little, go away, nothing will happen. You have to apply. Your application is your performing. Okay? Whatever we give you is our informing. Your application, putting your hand, if I just put my hand out like this, go on talking and there's no response from anybody, there is no use, nothing will happen. So you have to tell it's not acceptable. I give, you give, inform, perform, then only we can transform. Are you with me? Okay. Some shaking has to happen inside. Some change has to happen inside. And change is difficult. Thank you, sir. Change is difficult. Cross your arms, all of you. Please, cross your arms. Right now, cross your arms. Do it. You're not watching a movie. I'm also seeing you. Cross your arms. Okay. Now uncross them. Cross them first. Huh? Uncross them and cross them the other way. Meaning, if you have right hand or left hand, some have left hand or right hand, put the other way. Some of you are going like this, coming back to this way. That is cross the other way, this way. Huh? How does it feel? Anybody very comfortable? Clasp your hands together like this. And some of you did the noise also. Okay, now some of you have got the left thumb over the right thumb, some of you have got the right thumb over the left thumb. Now this says something about your personality and about the kind of person you are from a psychological point of view. So if ever you want to know what that is, ask me at any time after this, not right now. If you don't remember, it's okay, forget about it. But listen to this. Some of you have got left thumb over right thumb. Automatically, unconsciously it happened. Now what I want you to do is, those of you who got right thumb over the left thumb, put the left thumb over the right thumb. Those of you, ulta. Do it the other way. Do it the other way around, please, right now. How does it feel? Anybody comfortable? No. See, to change this if it's so difficult. To change this if it feels uncomfortable. Imagine changing this. Imagine changing your work culture, changing your team. I'm supposed to be a motivator. See how I'm demotivated? Because I want it to be real. It is difficult, so we need to work extra hard. You have to work as hard as whoever is training anything, any subject. Then only the result will come out. Okay? That was just in response to what is the next one. Okay. So what is the next one? Establish rapport. How do you establish rapport? Do something different. Huh? Do it differently. Whatever you're doing, do it a little differently. Alright?